Jai Gurudev. Today I am going to explain you an activity of class 5 or class 6, activity number 5 given in Joy of Learning Mathematics of class 6, areas and perimeter. This is one video. Another video we will also upload within few days. Here we are having different figures and we have to calculate the area and perimeter of each of the figure and fill in this observation table. These figures are marked 1A, 1B. 1A, 1B. We will calculate perimeter area here and perimeter here. So let us take this 1A figure. Its length is, it is a rectangle. Length is 6 unit and width is 4 unit. So area will be length into breadth. So length is 4 unit and breadth is length is 6 unit and breadth is 4 unit. So we will multiply it. It will be 6 4s are 24 square units. So we will fill here 24 square unit. And now perimeter. We have to add this side plus this side plus this side plus this side. Or we can say 2 times of the length plus 2 times of the breadth. So 2 we can take common inside the bracket L plus B. Means we can add these two values and double it. So 6 plus 4, 10 into 2, 20. So here entry will be 20. 20 units. Here it will be 24 square unit. Area will be 24 square unit. So same formula we will apply here also, because this is also a rectangle whose length is 8 unit and width is 3 unit. Its name is 1B here. So in this column, in these two columns you have to, or in these two boxes you have to fill this the values. Calculate it yourself and fill it here. This is some peculiar figure. Each there are 5 square and they are placed in this star form. Alright, its length is 1 unit, width is also 1 unit. So area will be 1 square unit. This area is also 1 square unit, this area is also 1 square unit, this area is also 1 square unit, this area is also 1 square. Altogether total it will be 5 square unit. Area will be 5 square unit. So in area column 2A, this is in this row 2A, we will write here 5 square unit. Now perimeter we have to calculate. We have to, this is start from, suppose here, this move this side, this side, this side. So 4 square unit. From here again we will move this 4 unit. Then here 4 unit, here 4 unit, and here also this perimeter 4 unit, because they are not overlapping anywhere. So a total perimeter will be 4 unit plus 4 unit, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 4, 16, and 16 plus 4, 20 is unit only. Alright, here 5 square unit will be the area and 20 unit will be the perimeter of this figure 2A. Now 2B, it is a kind of a rectangle. You can use length into breadth, and for the area formula length into breadth. For perimeter 2L plus 2B or 2 times the sum of length plus breadth. So 5 plus 1 6 into 2 12. So perimeter will be 12 and the area here length into breadth. So 5 into 1 5 square unit. So here we can write 5 square unit and perimeter is 12 square unit. 6 plus 5 plus 1 6 into 2 it will be 12. So here we will write 12 square unit. I am taking this figure, this image here. Now these two values about this. This is also a kind of a rectangle. Length into breadth, yeah, height into width you can take. So this into this you have to multiply and you can fill it yourself. Here there are two rectangles and they are attached here. This certainly one unit and this is also one unit. Right? This is one unit. Here it is one unit. So area will be length into breadth. So 3 into 1, 3. Here also 3 into 1, 3. So 3 plus 3, 6 square unit will be the area of this figure 3A here. 6 square unit area. Now perimeter. You have to add this side plus this side plus this side plus this side, then again this side plus this side plus this. So total movement from, suppose one person is moving along the boundary from here to here. So 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus this 1 7, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 1 12. So perimeter will be 12 square unit. Okay, here length into breadth, area will be length into breadth. We can multiply this, 3 2 is 6 square unit. You can fill it here. And perimeter you have to calculate like this. 3, this is 2, so this is also 2. So 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 3 8 plus 2 10, or otherwise we can do 2L plus B. So first add these two adjacent side, 3 plus 2 5 and double it. 5 2 is 10 square unit. So we can make. Draw few more figure yourself on graph paper and name them and write the area and perimeter in this observation table. I hope you would have understood the concept of area and perimeter, and you will solve some of the problem given in your textbook and learn the concept very well. So my best wishes to you. जय गुरुदेव, जय महर्षि। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आता हो तो आप इसको लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, कमेंट करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए और बेल आइकन को ऑन करिए, सो दैट न्यू वीडियो जब भी हम अपलोड करें तब आपको जानकारी मिलते रहे। जय गुरुदेव, जय महर्षि।